Good morning! Yan, nakikita nyo. Yan yung mga plants na galing sa loob ng bahay. Well, some of them actually. I just bought that one over there. That one. I bought those because all my lavender, those are lavender actually. My lavender died somehow. I don't know why. And that one over there on a green pot, yan yung San Fernando. This one, that's ginger. Behind it, that's a sugar maple. There's a lot of them right there. The green pot, they're still tiny. My plan is plant some in my yard, which is the yard right over there. Yeah, that yard over there with the green grass. Plant it over there so that we can harvest some maple later on, maybe 10 years if I'm still alive. So, and some I was thinking about bringing to Idaho when I move there, since Idaho seems they don't have any regular trees, they only have pine trees. And also this one, that's oak. That's where you get acorn from. And these they call Thanksgiving, or is that Christmas cactus? I'm not really sure which one. I cut it off from this right here. This one I'm planning on bringing also. Yes, and of course pineapple is still alive. The next one is the mango. This is the mango. Ayan, oh, may tatlong puno na. I mean, they divide well, you know, triplet na. I don't know, maybe I should cut the new sprout. I don't know, it's still too short though, so we'll see when it gets bigger. And yes, lemongrass. Yeah, that's lemongrass. And this one, oh, my cobweb, avocado. Pinutol ko yung pinakadulo para sumanga. Sumanga nga, nandun naman sa dulo din. Ayun. Ito maganda kasi bandang baba siya. This one, hindi kasi. Ayan. Tatangtad na naman yan. Siguro putulin ko ulit. Meron naman nagsisimula dito. Ito na lang siguro. Ito putulin ko. Ito pabayaan ko lumaki. Ayan, rosemary. It's really good de-stressor. Amuyin mo lang yan. Ito, oh, kuha ka. Tapos smush it like, you know, like that. Ganda ng amoy. Ayan, yellow ginger, of course is turmeric. Dilaw, luyan dilaw sa Tagalog. My jackfruit, langka, tumubo siya. Ito malalaking Asian fruit trees. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Anyway, having fun planting them. And pinutol ko yan doon. Meron akong maliit doon. Pinutol ko para dumami. I dipped the branch into rooting powder Hopefully it grows so that I can have more. Para dumami sila. Ayan. Ito, hostas. Bubulaklak na. Bicolor leaves. Ito, isa lang. Let me show you. Yung small rose that I have. It's right there. That. Ayan, dito ko pinutol yung ano. Ayan, nag-sprout na marami ng sanga. That's it.